Have you ever wondered why some people just can't seem to stop thinking about someone? What if you could be that someone? In today's video, we're going to uncover the secrets of making him think about you constantly. Let's dive into the art of being unforgettable. 1. The power of mystery. Why does mystery make you irresistible in his eyes? Imagine leaving just enough to the imagination, creating an allure that's hard to resist. It's like a captivating book you can't put down. Your goal? Be that book. Share your stories, but save some chapters for later. This sparks curiosity, making him eager to learn more about you. Think of it as a teaser trailer to an incredible movie. That movie is you. By revealing just enough, you become a puzzle he's intrigued to solve. It's not about being secretive, but about creating a sense of wonder. Remember, the most memorable people are those who leave us wanting more. Keep him guessing, and he'll keep thinking about you. 2. Engaging conversations. How can your conversations spark endless thoughts about you? Your words can be the thread that ties his thoughts to you. The key? Be genuinely interested in what he says. Ask questions that delve deeper, showing that you're not just hearing, but listening. Share your experiences too, but make them interactive. It's like a game of tennis. You're not just hitting the ball, you're engaging in a lively rally. Use humor, share fun anecdotes, and don't shy away from expressing your opinions. This creates a dynamic conversation that sticks in his mind. Remember, memorable conversations are not just about what you say, but how you make him feel. Make him feel heard, understood, and amused, and he'll find his thoughts wandering back to you. 3. Creating emotional connection. What's the key to forging a bond that he can't shake off? Start by sharing your passions and dreams. When you talk about what lights you up, your energy becomes infectious. It's like sharing a piece of your soul, and there's nothing more captivating than that. But it's a two-way street. Encourage him to share his dreams too. Show empathy and understanding for his experiences. This builds a deep emotional bridge between the two of you. It's like you're not just a part of his day. You become a part of his dreams and aspirations. Small gestures of kindness and understanding can make a big impact. 4. The art of subtle flirting. How does subtle flirting keep you on his mind day and night? Flirting isn't just about what's said. It's about the unsaid, the hinted. It's like a dance, where each step draws interest and intrigue. Start with your body language, a playful touch, a lingering glance, a smile that says more than words. These are your unspoken flirtatious notes. Then, sprinkle your conversations with light teasing and witty banter. It's about creating a spark, not a fire. The subtlety lies in not being too obvious. It's the difference between a gentle breeze and a storm. These little moments of flirtation are like breadcrumbs, leading his thoughts back to you. 5. Balancing availability. Why is being just enough available, not too much or too little, vital for his constant thinking about you? It's about being present, yet leaving space for longing. Imagine you're like a captivating novel, available enough to keep the story going, but each chapter leaves him wanting more. Be responsive, but don't always be the first to text or call. Let there be moments where he wonders what you're up to. This creates a sense of mystery and intrigue. It's not about playing hard to get. It's about having your own life and interests. This balance shows you're independent and not overly reliant on his attention, making your time together more valued and your absence more noticeable. 6. The importance of shared experiences. What types of shared experiences can cement you in his memory? Creating memorable moments together is like building a treasure trove of thoughts that he'll revisit time and again. Plan activities that are new and exciting for both of you. It could be a hiking adventure, a cooking class, or even a spontaneous road trip. These shared adventures create stories unique to your connection, stories that he'll associate only with you. Engage in activities that also align with his interests. It shows that you're attentive and willing to step into his world. Each shared experience is like a thread, weaving a richer tapestry of memories, making it natural for him to think of you when he recalls these moments. 7. Leveraging social media. How can you use your social media presence to make him think of you more? Social media can be a powerful tool to stay in his thoughts. Post content that reflects your personality and passions. Whether it's a picture from a hike, a book you're reading, or a culinary experiment, let your posts speak about who you are. It's like giving him a window into your world, one that he'll want to keep looking through. But remember to maintain a sense of mystery. Don't overshare. Keep some aspects of your life private. This balance creates intrigue and keeps him curious about you. Engage with his posts thoughtfully, but don't overdo it. It's about being present in his online world, just enough to keep him thinking about your offline presence. 8. Cultivating your own interests. Why does having your own life make you more attractive in his thoughts? There's something incredibly attractive about someone who has passions and pursuits outside of their relationship. It shows depth, independence, and that you're a complete person on your own. Dive into hobbies or activities that you love or have always wanted to try, whether it's painting, running, or learning a new language. These pursuits not only enrich your life, but also add layers to your personality. When you share these experiences with him, it provides a glimpse into your world, making you more intriguing. It's like each hobby adds a new, fascinating chapter to your book, making him eager to read more. 9. The element of surprise. How can small, unexpected gestures make a huge impact on his thoughts? Surprises keep things exciting and unpredictable, making you unforgettable. It's about the small, unexpected gestures that show you're thinking of him. It could be sending a funny meme that reminds you of an inside joke, or a message sharing a song that made you think of him. These little surprises don't have to be grand. Their power lies in their spontaneity and thoughtfulness. It's like leaving unexpected notes in the chapters of your story together, creating moments of delight and warmth. Every surprise makes him feel special and reinforces the thought of you in his mind. 10. Building anticipation. What are the secrets to creating anticipation that keeps you on his mind? Anticipation is like a spark that keeps the fire of interest alive. It's about creating moments that leave him looking forward to more. Start by planning future events or activities together, but don't reveal all the details. Let there be an element of surprise. It's like giving a preview of an exciting movie that's yet to come. When you're together, drop hints about fun plans or ideas for next time, sparking his curiosity. This forward-looking approach keeps you on his mind as he anticipates what's next. It's not just about the moments you share, but also about the excitement of what's to come. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women, and we'll see you in the next video. With love.